got shot up pretty good. So those things, it's a, truck that, you can carry about.
Was
30.
that the first contact?
Yeah. Yep. They fired an RPG and it missed, but it hit the wall that we were driving next to and it knocked the transmission out.
Sure.
Because it's all electric.
Yep.
And we weren't moving and they just opened up on us. We all in the back just dove in the middle. Nobody got shot. So
Really?
it was a miracle.
Yeah, and it wasn't armored back then either.
No, it was just tarps.
Yep.
So that was our first real experience with any
So
kind
that
of,
changed everything.
yeah, yep. And then it progressively got worse.